In this video, we will take a look at how to use the floor plan tool. When you receive your Immersive 3D tour, the post-production team will have already created all the walls and the items in the house. You may notice that there are some items missing, or maybe you want to remove some. The first thing you will need to do is open the floor plan tool. If you wish to increase your map to view a little better, you can click below on the maximize icon. In this example, we will draw the island in the middle of the kitchen. To create an item such as the island, you will need to click on the plus sign on the right-hand column of the items menu. Then you can begin to draw your outline. Using the crosshair dot and the line as a guide, you can move around creating your item in one continuous direction, making sure to complete the item, connecting each pink dot, the beginning and the end, and you can also play with the height of your items by selecting the yellow dot and moving up and down to get the correct height. Now your item is complete. In this example, we need to get around the table to be able to connect the items. We click the floor plan, click the item, create the line, hit the W key, move around, hit the W key again, select the wall, click the pink dot, move it, continue drawing, aligning it with the other pink dot, and connecting. When clicking on your item description, you will notice that it will appear at the top of your panel. Your floor plans will all be underneath, and any items you created will be underneath that. If you desire to delete one of your items, you simply need to click on the item. It will appear here. You hit on the trash can and you hit delete. The process for creating walls is the same. You need to create a new floor plan by clicking the plus sign. Start drawing around the floor area, moving along from one end to the other, creating a box connecting the first pink dot to the last. When you are done drawing, press W to get out of the floor plan. If you need to remove a wall, simply click on it. You will see selected face appear, hit the trash can, and hit delete.